Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine. Today, drawing a tree comes with different steps. So first, we are just going drawing the ground. So this is going to be the ground. Then you can see comes the organic shape of the tree trunk. This tree is like a Y shape on the top, and you can see the trunk has a different branches, which is just going to the upward directions and this is how it looks like a realistic appearance. Okay, so this side also another branch we're going to provide here. Okay, so few branches, another segment here. Awesome, just putting few outlines like the hatches for the 3D effect, and we're going to put the grasses at the bottom of the tree with the sign pane. Okay, on the top, so it's done like a three layers. The first layer is just drawing the outlines with the cloud shapes with the pen. So sign pen is very good for the outline. You can see several cloud shapes and few on the top, one in the middle. So this is it. The next step, you can see the dark color. So dark green color we're going to provide here. Okay, let's see. So this is going to be the dark green color. Let's put a single layer on the left side of the cloud shapes actually. So you can see these ones. Okay, so on the left side, the other side remains white for the shading purpose. So this is how it looks like a 3D. Awesome. So first layer, draw the outline with the sign pen, then put the darker shadow to the left side. Okay, then we're going to put the lighter green next label. Okay, so adjacent to the previous shading, just putting the lighter green. So same graphic applied for all the cloud shapes appearance. Awesome. Other parts just remain empty, and for the tree trunk, just putting few colors on the left side of the tree here. Okay. So putting the shades and colors. Okay, for the ground, let's provide few colors, and when we put the color, just do not put it like a solid color, remain some parts empty. Awesome. And for the grass, just putting few green colors with the pencil here. Awesome. So see the green colors. Ta-da! This is how the tree drawing is complete. So you can see visually it looks like a very nice 3D shaped tree. Very elementary, very easy to practice at home, and this is how we can draw tree in many sceneries. So this is very useful. Stay tuned. See you in our next videos, and do practice at home. Thank you so much. Have a good day.